Hello students, welcome to another episode of Frequently Asked HR Interview Questions. During a campus placement, a question may be asked like describe your ideal company, or which is your dream company, or give details about your favorite company. And most of the students start talking about the world's best company. Let us take an example. In a campus interview in a college, a student may start talking about Facebook, Google as dream companies. Nothing wrong about it. But when the company starts asking in the interview more questions about the company, then you are trapped. In this video, let us talk about traps, tools and techniques. So, next time you come across this question about describe your ideal company or describe about your dream company, remember this question is mostly asked to a promising candidate, and this question is asked whether the candidate is able to appreciate the competitor if possible. Avoid this trap of appreciating the competitor. Too much appreciating competitor may create an image that you are looking for opportunities from the competitors as well. The question is asked with an intention to know, number one, are you looking for opportunities with the other companies, which is not bad actually. But number two, if you are selected and an offer letter is given by the company, will you join them? Or otherwise, number three, even if you join them, you won't stay with them for a long period. Maybe in a short while, if you get an opportunity with the competitor, you may jump. So to avoid these kind of candidates, this question is specifically asked. Let us go to the next part, that is tools and techniques. While preparing answer for this question, you have to look for the answer which comes from the company people itself. Number one, during the pre-placement talk in a campus placement or during the pre-interview preparation part of your preparation, you have to know the full name of the company for which you are applying, the job description, the history of the company, when it started, where it started, the top brass people in the company, maybe like managing director, CEO, or the name of the founders. Okay, and then you should know the important milestones, the achievements and the awards of the company. You should also know about the CSR activities, that is corporate social responsibilities. Any latest news, preferably the positive news about the company, will add more value to the knowledge that you have about the company. So, when the next time when this question is asked, you can come up with the answers when you talk about these points, and out of these points, the most fascinating point about the company for which you are applying, you will have to tell there. This will prove that you have done a hard work, you like the company for which you are appearing, and therefore you are the right candidate because you have collected enough information about the job and the company, and you have the reason why this company is the right company for you. The possibility of getting selected increases. I put all this preparation part in terms of CCC 2T, which we will be discussing in detail in some other video. So, to collect the information about the company, you will have to visit the company websites, you will have to visit the job portals or the news portals. Well, after collecting this information, while you are answering in the interview, you will have to remember, number one, your answer has to be absolutely honest. Number two, what are those important things about the company that you are appearing which attract you to join that company? You should be able to tell that. With all this, you will be able to crack the interview. Now, I request you to put more questions that comes to your mind in the comment section of this video. Ask us the questions so that we can prepare more videos for you. Subscribe, like and share. Shikuya. Follow on all the social media channels. Thank you. Bye bye.